Now far there you can see the Mandaragiri hills. The white path, those are the steps that you have to trek up to the Mandaragiri hills. There again you have some Jain temples which date back to a very old age. But they have a timing. Only on weekdays they are open from morning to evening. That is the trek up to the Mandaragiri hills. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for you to trek up. There is a water body there and some temples there. See, you can see the Peacock temple in the background. This is in Tumkur, which is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore and takes about 1 to 1.5 hours to travel down. Hello friends, today we are at the Pinchi Jain temple, which belongs to the Digambar Jain sect. It's very beautiful. It is like a peacock's feather. The peacock's feather is very, very symbolic to the Jain religion. I'm trying to give you a close-up. At the base of it, there is a lotus petal, and it has all the beautiful colors of the peacock feather. The temple is open all the time. You can get in, pray and come back. It has a nice meditation hall, you know. See how beautiful it looks. I'm trying to capture it from near. There is a statue of Tumkur in the same complex, the one that you see in Sravana Belgola, in a smaller size.